How do you control fan speed on a Thermaltake Commander FP? This holds 10 fans that can either be 3-pin or 4-pin PWM. Let's get this fan hub unboxed and find out. Alright, so there's the Deepcool Gamix 400. Alright, so here's the fan hub. I've got that 3-pin fan on the back of the test bench plugged in. I have the other cable going to the CPU fan header on the motherboard on the back there. You can see it right here. And I also have the power supply cable, which is SATA, feeding power to the fan hub. So what I'm going to try next is just to see if I can control the fan RPM speed. So let's get into the BIOS and see what we can do. Alright, so I unplugged the 3-pin fan in the back behind the test bench, and I just have the Deepcool Gamix 4 installed, but I also have these 3 fans installed. 2 of the fans on the left and the right are the Cooler Master PWM fans that come stock with the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo. The middle one is from the Noctua NHU12S. I'm going to implement the OC profile for 4.9 gigahertz. I just want to see if the RPM speed goes up when I stress the CPU out. If it does, technically this is a fan hub, so all the other fans should spin up along with the Deepcool Gamix 400. Alright, so I have real temp on the left right here. I have Prime 95 here. I'm going to go small FFTs, but I'm going to leave EVGA enabled because I want to generate some heat. I want to see if the RPM fan speed goes up when I stress test the CPU out. Alright, so here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you could clearly hear a difference. Okay, I clearly heard a difference when I ran Prime 95 with EVGA enabled, so I definitely feel good about using this PWM fan hub on my next build. The fan hub cable was plugged into the CPU fan header on the motherboard, and all other fans, including the CPU cooler, was plugged into the Thermaltake Commander fan hub. As a result, when I placed the processor under full load with Prime 95, all fans sped up and slowed down at the same time. What that tells me is there is not a way to control PWM fans individually on this fan hub. The only way to adjust fan speed on this Thermaltake Commander FP is through the motherboard. You have to boot into the BIOS and adjust the fan curve. If you'd like to see a demonstration of this, make sure to like this video, and also consider subscribing to see the build that this Thermaltake Commander FP is going to go into.